Operation video. Lift floor grinder after installing pads. Step on the pedal and release it slowly. If you want to bear weight, you can add the add weight. Adjust the handle height. Plug it in. Align the socket hole with the notch. LED lamp plug. Find the hole and insert it into the socket. Turn on. Turn off LED. USB port. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Turn on the switch. Adjust the speed switch. Start grinding the ground. Shut down operation. Decrease the speed control switch to 0. Press the emergency stop switch. Turn off on-off switch. Unplug the socket. Thanks for watching.